Waxpol Wax Polish Liquid for Showroom Finish deep cleans, restores and shines weathered and faded car paint. Polish in the shade on a cool, dry and clean surface. Shake well before use. Pour a dash of the polish. Suitable for hand application. Spread uniformly with overlapping circular motion. Fold a fresh cotton cloth. Rub off using medium pressure with overlapping to and fro motion until dry. Use fresh side for each section. Work on small sections at a time. Harder paint or deeper defect will require more precision. Remove dull film, surface dirt, stain and minor scratches quickly and effectively. Waxpol Wax Polish Liquid for Showroom Finish cleans, restores, enhances and protects the car paint, making it look as good as new.